First, this week, the State Department of Health announced they will not share COVID-19 case data within schools. This is an announcement that left many educators and parents outraged. Call for Action problem solver Caresse Jackman went looking for answers as to why the state made this decision. So, Caresse, explain their reasoning here.
Well, Tracy, the state pretty much says it's all about privacy. They want to make sure that they protect the privacy of individuals who may be diagnosed or tested positive for COVID-19. But for so many advocates in education, parents and teachers, they say that's not good enough. They want to know because they're worried about their own safety and their own health. From teachers to parents, Amanda Kale, president of the Metro Nashville Education Association, tells News 4 she's getting a ton of emails and concerns from all over the state. Educators deeply troubled about the upcoming school year and how the state is handling it.
I don't know that I can convey the level of fear that I am hearing from people.
During Tuesday's press conference, Governor Bill Lee and state officials released a number of plans in place to keep people safe when they return to school, including a year's supply of PPE for all 80,000 teachers. But what stood out to critics was the state health commissioner announcing that if there's a coronavirus case within a school, the state won't share that information.
In Metro Nashville, we are quite fortunate in that we're going back online, but I'm actually hearing from teachers from around the state and also parents from around the state that they're deeply concerned about this. We need to be able to trust our public institutions. We need to be able to trust that everyone's going to be kept safe. And if we don't know the data, then how do we know that that's happening?
News 4 reached out to the Department of Health to find out why they made this decision. For them, privacy is a big factor. In a statement, they said in part, "We continue to prioritize privacy concerns related to COVID-19 patients. At this time, we do not plan to ask school districts to submit formal reports to us about COVID-19 cases and do not plan to systematically release school-specific information on cases among students and or staff members." The state added that they report cases by county of residence of the parent, and they investigate each case to identify and notify any close contacts. Those answers simply aren't good enough for Kale.
We need the information, we need the data, and we need the transparency so that we can make sure we are protecting people.
Now, the State Department of Health also said that they do provide age range in terms of COVID-19 cases on their website, so they want to make sure that people know about that. But again, Tracy, a lot of parents and teachers still feel that that is not enough to satisfy them. Tracy?